Elevate your Webflow site by giving users the power to choose their preferred visual experience with dynamic light and dark modes. We'll start by setting up our Webflow project. Ensure you have the elements you want to style in both modes. Think backgrounds, text, buttons, and any other visual components. In your Webflow designer, navigate to the Add Elements panel and drag an HTML embed element onto your page. This embed will house the magic behind our theme switching. Select this HTML embed and head over to the Element Settings panel. We're going to add a custom attribute here for the name. Type MS Theme Switcher. And for the value, you can enter Themetoggle. This attribute tells our script what this element is for. Now let's add another HTML embed, this time for our CSS inside this embed. We'll define CSS variables. These variables will hold the color values for our light theme, for example. We'll define background color and set it to a light shade, and text color to a dark shade. Next, we'll create a new class. Let's call it Dark Theme. Within this class, we'll override those same CSS variables with our dark mode color values, so background color will become a dark shade, and text color will be lighter. Now, for the elements you want to change visually, like your body background or text, you'll apply these CSS variables. Select an element, go to its style settings, and in the appropriate property, like background color or text color, you'll input your CSS variable. For instance, var background color. For elements that should have different colors in dark mode, you'll apply the dark theme class and then set their specific styles again using the CSS variables, such as var dark mode text color. The final piece is the JavaScript that handles the switching in our initial HTML embed with the MS Theme Switcher attribute. We'll add a small script. This script will listen for clicks on that element, and when clicked, it will toggle the dark theme class on the body of our page, applying our dark mode styles. And there you have it. With a simple click, your users can now seamlessly switch between light and dark modes, creating a more personalized and accessible Webflow experience.